Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you will be fine and studying at home. This is lecture 13, subject English, class 5, and the book is Oxford Reading Circle. Before starting the lecture, I advise you students to take out your Oxford Reading Circle book, notebook and stationery items. I also advise you be attentive during lecture. Students, in the previous lecture, we read the poem Nurse's Song and discussed the important points of it. We also did the words' meanings. I hope you would have understood the poem as well as you have also learnt the words' meanings. In this lecture, we will make the sentences and then we will do main idea of the poem. Students, we did the meanings of 5 words in the previous lecture. I hope you would have learnt the words' meanings. Now students, we will use these words in sentences. You must make your own sentences and write them on your notebooks. I am giving you one sample sentence of each word just as a sample. The first word is leaped. Its meaning is jumped. Leaped is the second form of the verb leap and its meaning is jumped. The sentence of leaped is the boys leaped into the air with joy when they won the match. You are required, students, to make your own sentence of leaped. Second word is leave off. Its meaning is to stop. The sentence of leave off is the mother told the children to leave off play and come home. The third word is fades. Fades. Its meaning is becomes dimmer, less bright, fainter. The sentence of fades is the sunlight fades in the evening. The fourth word is appears. Its meaning is to come into sight and start to be seen. The sentence of appears, the moon appears at night. The last word is heard. Heard is the second form of the verb hear. Its meaning is listened. Its sentence is I heard some birds singing outside the window of my room. Students, I again advise you that you must use these words in your own sentences and write these sentences on your notebooks. Now we will do the main idea of the poem. As you know, the poem Nurse's Song is written by the poet William Blake. So now we will start the main idea of the poem and you will note down this main idea on your notebook. The poem Nurse's Song is written by a famous poet William Blake. It is about the innocence and the joys of childhood. The poem begins and ends with the cheerful sounds of the children. In this poem, the children are playing and their nurse is looking over them. When the sun sets, she calls them to return home to sleep. They request to let them play more. She allows them to play more till dark. The children become excited and all the valley is filled with their joyful sounds. Students, now I am giving you some work to do. First of all, you have to make sentences of given words on your notebooks. The next work you have to do is to write down the main idea of the poem on your notebooks and learn it. Keep on studying at home. Allah Hafiz. Thank you and take care of yourself.